Hey, it's Joseph here. Today I cannot really look at the camera because I'm driving at the moment. However, I can trust that my shots will be able to edit it in the post. And the reason for that is because I am filming on 360-degree camera right now. I'll be able to either show the road in a very steady shot as well as show myself. I actually don't know how the audio quality will play out in this shot, but fingers crossed that it will be alright. And this is actually a problem for me before going out on a conference or a travel whenever I intend to do some sort of video coverage or vlog series. I continuously buy these little kits and tools and gizmos before the trip, and this is another result of that. However, I think it is working very well and very suitable for my workflow and purposes. And I think this will be a great addition to my kit, especially when I'm trying to do a architectural photography, because I'll be able to capture what's around me rather than just focusing on one shot of a composition. And I also have seen the stabilizer is working very well, so I don't really have to be concerned of the shot itself. I can edit a lot of things in the post. And overall, I'm feeling optimistic towards using this camera on my trip. So if you're actually seeing this video, it means it has worked out. And I'll be attending Digital BILT Week, or BILT. And I'll be flying out to Seattle tomorrow, and I have done some introduction videos, so be sure to check those out following the links in the description, and I hope to see you guys on those videos. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.